Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Plant Care. So this is my first video and I am going to tell you that how to make compost with your kitchen waste. Okay, this one is already I have prepared and this is almost ready. I have to just draw it dry it in the sunlight, then it will be ready to use. So if you see, so very fine dark color uh, compost I have made from my kitchen waste. Fine. So this one I have made from the peels of vegetables, and I'll tell you that how to. Still there is some finishing is required, as there some other worms are there, so still that is in process, but almost this one I have compost on started compost on 21st July. Fine, 21st July I have eh, do this. Fine, so almost it take 2 months to ready. Fine, so I don't want to do any hurry. Fine, so if you'll see, there's newspapers and all these things I have utilized in it. Fine, and also I'm going to show you that how I did all this. Fine, already I have poured the kitchen waste inside it. Fine, so this one is the dry leaf. I have utilized this one, that one Mossambi we have brought from the market now, so I have utilized this particular grass also. And for making compost, what we required, already kitchen waste I have poured into this, and this one is the dry leaves, and this is very much important that you are utilizing dry leaves. Fine, plus I have also taken this particular paper. So paper is also very good to when we are making compost now, so you utilize paper also. And this one is the soil. Fine, and in all different videos we have seen that they are utilizing certain little bit water or a little bit uh, insecticide or something else. So don't utilize that, because they are going to kill the natural worms that is going to come inside this particular compost. So now I'm going to tell you how to do this. Already I have poured the kitchen waste into it. Fine, so that peels off vegetables and all that. Fine, so uh, right now what I am going to do, so one help I am going to take from my daughter. So she is going to bring the Mossambi peel again. Fine, Mossambi, if you will make from this Mossambi peels now, so that will be very fine. Fine, so she is going to bring from that box that I have just keep over there. Fine, so right now what we have to do, this one, whatever the papers you are utilizing, so tear it. Fine, you just tear it with uh, she is going to help me. Fine, and I'm going to show you that whatever the paper is there, we are going to tear it, because you can also simply put all these in that form, but if you make in pieces, so that will help in compost fast. Fine, so this one is the already that is decomposted. Fine, I have keep in this particular bag. These Mossambi peels already have dried with the leaves I have put into this box. Fine, so right now what I am going to do, and if you want to utilize gloves you can. I generally I don't do. And make sure that you are not taking any polythene bags over there. Fine, don't take any polythene bags. Fine, one is already inside that, but don't keep it to your this compost mix. Okay, so I am going to take out these dry peels. Fine, already I keep it in the this box, so that may be dry with the sunlight. Fine, and if you want to utilize directly, so you can do. Now after this, what you will do, you will pour some soil into it. Fine, pour some soil into it. Fine, and then you keep certain this one paper. Fine, then keep these dry leaves. Fine. I have stored all these leaves from my kitchen garden, that fine, that I have developed on my roof. I'll also show the videos later on. And friends, after 2 months I'll also show the results, because already one result you can see over here, that is almost ready, but you have to be little patient in that. Fine. And if I talk about the bucket, or any bin you have, if you at your home, so make sure that there is one hole. I have also made one hole under this particular. Fine, if you are able to see, there is one hole I made. Fine, so this one is the hole I have made. Fine, so this one is a hole I have made. Fine, so little bit whatever the water that is going to be compost in the water, so that will come out. And also you can utilize as for the plant growth, but I'm not utilizing this. Fine, so again what you have to do, put some soil up to this. And why I'm utilizing soil, because in the soil whatever the microbes are there, whatever the small worms are there, that is going to help out it make compost very quickly. Okay, that will help out it. Fine, so friends, whenever I have the next kitchen waste, I will pour into it. Fine, and up to that I'm also going to keep store my these waste also. Fine, so this is all about this one. And you can say the result will be same as, because already this one I have taken in this particular iron pan, or not, you can say that I have utilized for my farm or for my vegetable garden. So I poured it into from this bucket, so result will be same like this. Fine, and you will be happy to see that. And you are not supposed to keep any water or any haldi or something. And make sure no oil thing, no oil seeds or something else. Don't put anything that consists oil, because that oil is going to kill the healthy bacteria over here. Fine, so this is very simple technique. Fine, to make the compost, and you just keep it in a partially shaded area. And I'm just keeping it with under my solar panel. Fine, so after 2 months it will be ready. Fine, and whenever you have the compost, and one thing also, whenever you will fill it, whenever you will after 3 or 4 days, you will see that will goes down. So it will assure you that is making your compost is on the process. Fine, it will goes down. Fine, it will goes down, because earlier I filled it up to this level, so it has goes down. So again I have the kitchen waste, I will utilize this. Fine, so after 2 months it will be ready. So thank you. And if you like this video of making compost, and so you just like it, and subscribe my channel Plant Care. Thank you. So friends, earlier I have filled it up to this level. Fine, and now I have filled, I have another kitchen waste, so I have keep all these particular waste into it. And one more important thing, if we'll keep all this soil on this particular, so there will be no smell. I must say there is no smell I have faced until means till the time I have not seen any smell over here whenever I am going to. And see, this is torai I have grown over here. I can show you little bit. This one is already fruited, and this one I have harvested. Fine, you see it. So this is very good. Fine, and I use it all my compost, that kitchen waste that I've grown. And I also can see you that this is on this side. Fine, so thank you for watching my video, and like and subscribe it and share it with your friends if you really like it. Thank you.